Hello guys, we are back and today we are going to learn about control flow, how flow works in Rust. So control flow is basically the if-else condition you may have seen in C and C++ or any other programming language. And let's see the code, let's see how Rust implements it, like uses the code. So we'll create a new control flow. Alright, let's go inside control flow. And then sublet dot main.rs. So let's implement. Let's take a number and let's simply the if else condition loop you may have seen in Python. You may have seen this is just the repetition of it, and I'll be showing that if number is less than 5, println condition was true, else condition was false. Let's run this. Let's run this and cargo run. Okay, some mistake I must not have added. Semicolon here. So the condition was true. Basically, if in Rust what happens is this evaluates to a boolean value. A boolean is a data type in Rust, and so what happens is if it is not a boolean value, it will return an error. So like in other languages such as C, it converts the conditional expression into an integer. That will be helpful in evaluating the condition, but evaluating the if else loop. But in Rust we specifically have to have a boolean value for the expression. So like if we do here if number, which may this a syntax similar to this will usually work well, like usually pass in C or C++, but not in Rust because C. Let's see. Okay, so we expected type integer, found type integer. So that's the thing. We need to have a boolean value, or else Rust will throw an error. So we now move on to something. We now have a look at the else if loop, the control flow statement. So let's have a look at that. I'll just remove this code. We check if the number is divisible by 4, 3 or 2 or 1. So if the mod turns out to be, we print number is divisible by 4. Else if number is equal to 0, we print divisible by 2, right? All right, and we print out a value that the number is not divisible by 4, 3 or 2 or 1, else. So this was the else if condition, which we'll see the output now. Okay, there's something. Yeah, I always forget the semicolons. With them such a, yeah, the number is divisible by 3, and number is divisible by 3. So that's it. So yeah, so now let's move on. So let's now use a let keyword and a if keyword together. Like while initializing, we can use if keyword in the let statement. Like I'll show you. So let condition is equal to true. So let number is equal to, like we need to bind the number using a if loop. You understand it? Like I want to, if condition is true, then bind phi, else bind 6. So when we do not put a semicolon, the Rust interprets this 6 or the phi as an expression and binds this value to the number variable. So we'll check now what value is there. Yeah, so we'll just cargo run. Yeah, so the value is phi. All right. So if we put this as false, the value stored will be 6. The value number is 6. So we rightly get this. So yeah. So that was it. That was about the control flow, how control flow works in Rust programming language. So bye.